I've got something really cool to show you guys. You know my hoverboard? Well, if you don't remember, here's a clip of me riding it. Cool new attachment which turns it into a go-kart! Here it is. And it's really simple to attach to the hoverboard. So first you flip it upside down. You place the hoverboard upside down and make sure the light is on the front. Then you attach each side with these straps. Left it to turn it on. There we go. You go forward, these two levers, you go this way. You go backwards, you go these two levers backwards. And to go turn, you go like this, you press forward. So first, you press one down and one up. And then if you want to turn the other way, you put this one down and this one up. Let's see how fast this thing can go. There we go. That's how fast it can go. You scared me again. Let's go.